Namaste student. Let us start a new subject, that is political science. And in this lesson, meaning and importance of political science, we will study about the importance of political science, who is the father of political science, what is the meaning of political science. So all these informations we are going to study in this lesson. Thank you.
Meaning and importance of political science. Concept of political science. What is the main idea or concept of political science? The first one is, this political science is part of social science and it deals with political activities. So which are the political activities? Administration, collecting tax, doing the work, then protecting the people from external enemies, taking care of the people during natural calamities, then giving the justice, maintaining law and order. Like that, all these activities come under political activities, and political science deals with such activities. The second one is, political science deals with state and government. So whenever we talk about state, it can be the whole nation or the government of that state. How does it function? What duties are given to government? So all such things are studied by political science. The next one is, political science studies the origin and nature of state and forms of political institution. It studies the origin and nature of state. So how did a nation come into existence? How did a state come into existence? So that is studied by political science, as well as it studies the forms of political institutions. So now, which are the political institutions? Can you give me some examples? Yes. So the political institutions are legislature, executive, judiciary, state government, Reserve Bank of India or RBI, then Zilla Panchayat, so all Grama Panchayat, Taluk Panchayat, so all these come under political institutions, and political science studies these institutions, their functioning. So all come under political science. Then the last one is, the study of state is the main subject, because whatever we study, they come under a state. So these political institutions, they are part of state, and political activities, they are part of state. So the main subject matter of political science is study of state. Whatever happens in a state, that comes under the political science. The main subject matter of political science is study of state. Development of political science. As a subject of study, political science began with the Greeks. So the Greeks were the first one to study it as a subject. See here, Egyptians, Babylonians, Persians and Indians, Chinese, long ago, they mentioned about this subject, but they did not develop it as a subject systematically. So who did this? The credit goes to the Greeks. The Greek scholars like Socrates, Plato and Aristotle, they were the main thinkers, and their contribution to the study of political science is really great. And Plato, in his book, a famous book, Republic, was written by Plato. In that, for the first time, he discussed the nature and functions of a state. So the Greeks are the first one to study it as an important subject. Aristotle, a student of Plato, is considered as the father of political science. Why is considered as father of political science? What are his contributions to political science? The contributions are as follows. He wrote a book called Politics, which gives the details of the political science, the subject political science. Not only that, he gave information about origin, development and functions of a state. And whenever we discuss about state, it is not the state like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. A state is a nation or a territory. In political science, state means a nation or territory or a nation. So, the origin of a nation, development of a nation and the functions of a nation. So, they are explained in the book Politics, which is written by Aristotle. So, Aristotle is called the father of political science. Even in India, we have a popular book, very important book called Arthashastra, written by Kautilya or Chanakya. And even this Arthashastra gives information about political principles. Arthashastra tells about the duties of a ruler, the duties of the citizens, the functions of an army, then how should the ruler collect the tax, based on what should he collect the tax. So all the informations are provided in the book Arthashastra. So this is written by Kautilya. Origin of the term politics. The term politics is derived from a Greek word polis. The meaning of polis is city-state. In modern times, this term is used to study the affairs of state. So whatever happens in a state, the administration, ruling, all that come under political science. Political science studies the origin, development, nature, administration, type, scope of state and rights and duties of citizens. So these come under the affairs of a state. So in a state we can see how did the state originate, how did the state develop into a state, what are the natures of a state, how is the administration in a state, what are the rights and duties of the citizens of the state. So all these things are studied by political science.